Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday, so this is the weekend vlog. I just got Avea out of a bath because she had lunch and she decided that she wanted to wear it too. So she smeared it in her hair, but she's now out of the bath and I'm getting ready to cut her fingernails. Huh? Is Bubby occupied? He's occupied with the neighbors. Huh, Mama Bear? He's occupied with the neighbors.
Will you act like a velociraptor with me? Whoa, another dinosaur! Whoa, this dinosaur. That's its name right there. It's really big. Hey, look at its head. Hey! See? It kind of looks like it's wearing a helmet. Just like when you and I ride bicycles, we wear helmets. Cool. Oh, here's some more dinosaurs. Oh, look at that one. That is a triceratops. Do you know why they call it a
Well, that is much better. It's not completely all the way off, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was, since I'd smeared most of it off anyways. But I just uploaded a video and you guys, we have learned so much more about that Laura Isabel girl. Like, it literally makes me sick to my stomach even thinking about some of the things that this woman does. To her own children, mind you. Okay, her own children. So people can send her money. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I would not be surprised if she was like sexually exploiting them as well. Or if they were, you know, being sexually abused and her just not saying nothing. I honestly, I would not be surprised. Like, she is the worst, the fucking worst mother I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen some pretty shitty moms. Like, I don't understand, dude. I don't. How do you not put your kids first? How do you not do that? Like, this woman was talking about, okay, they're homeless, alright? If you watch my previous video, they're homeless. They have nothing. They hardly are even able to eat, yada, yada, yada. But yet you got enough money to be going and buying these, CBD rollers and all these pre-rolled joints and sex toys and things like that. You can do that, but you can't feed your kids. You can't bathe your children. You can't put clean clothes on them, but you can go buy all that. No. Like, I have said, people, you know, it's like, you know, people struggle, but that's for over a year of you begging off of TikTok and other apps, Facebook, going state to state, flying signs, as she calls it. I've never in my life heard it called that. I've heard it called panhandling. Never flying a sign. That right there tells you this bitch is like a professional. You know what, I'm not for people having their kids living in different homes than them, like when they can control the situation. But in this situation, those kids do not need to be with her. They don't. They need a loving home. They should be able to have, you know, a yard to run in, be able to go to parks, swim in a pool, have friends, get hugs, get held, get kisses, get loved on, shown what real love is. But instead, they are stuck in a hot ass car, and sometimes in a hot ass car in a very nasty car seat. And they're so greasy and sticky and sweaty and red and dirty, very dirty, bruised faces. I don't think I've ever recently witnessed a worse case of child neglect. Like, in all honesty, I don't think I have. And it truly, truly makes me absolutely sick to my fucking stomach watching that shit. Like, who in their right fucking mind? Who just allows their child to be like that and then stays begging off the internet? Like, who the fuck does that and is okay with doing it? That's the other thing. Like, she's completely cool with being like that. Alright guys, I got bird food here that I'm getting ready to feed the birds. It's their pellets mixed with egg.
Hey, get away, David. Get away while you're in there.
Yeah, watch out. I am, we're getting ready to leave for the graduation party, and I'm not gonna bring you guys with me just because it's like at a family member's house and they're not real big into like social media and stuff. Like, they don't even let their kids on social media. So I'm not gonna do that, just like out of respect. But if I take pictures of the kids or anything, I will insert them in the video. As long as there's like nobody else in there and there isn't like a thing of like their address or anything crazy like that. I'm gonna add more cheese to this one. Alright. I've got something in my eye. Alright, I'm gonna go get Sissy dressed. I'll show you guys her little outfit. This is what I've got picked out for her to wear. I have this shirt paired with these leggings and then a little bow for her. making dinner, huh? You making dinner with Mama? Are you making dinner with your Mama? Huh? What, baby? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Don't be upset, okay? Is that Mama's baby? Is that Mama's baby? We've been having some problems with PD because Caden's been hanging out with him a lot because he's been here, you know, more often than usual. And now he's doing that squealing shit that he was doing, so we had to tell Caden to quit because he... So, we did go ahead and tell him, you know, don't be in his face constantly. Like, when you do that, he starts doing this, you know, where he acts like Caden's a flock member and then, you know, only wants to be around him 24/7. Get up there, Mackie. Quit. Hey. No, sir. This is not what we're about to do. No, no, no. No, you stay out of the chips. No chips, okay? Those are not good for you, baby. You cannot have chips. I brought in some diapers because it was dark out and they're dry, so we're good. I didn't know if they were going to be dry or not. That's dry too. Mac! Hey, sir. What are you doing? Yes, Mommy told you we would make birdie toys. Okay, after we make dinner we will, okay? I mean, you can have that now that you done already shredded it. They love shredding stuff. And I are making bird toys. I got some stuff that this is like stuff that I saved that's from their toys. Anything that's not like pooped on, of course, or anything like that. Cardboard, I save whatever the boys don't burn, and I will cut it up so they have stuff that they can tear up and they can shred. Here's my handsome man helping him's Mama, huh? Helping Mama? Yeah, it's him helping Mama. I'm such a good boy, huh? I'm such a yabber boy, yes. And then I got some extra wood and stuff. There's a big bucket of stuff back there. And then this is just some stuff that I threw in here to add to the toys. It's just so much cheaper to make your own bird toys rather than to go and purchase them. Because it's like anywhere between $6 to $50 per bird toy. And it's freaking insane. What, love? You want some juice? Alright. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I am cutting some strawberries up for Abea. These are already washed. I just put them back in the container. But I'm cutting up strawberries for her. And then I am going to make eggs and bacon for the boys. And that is going to be breakfast. And then, as usual, every Sunday we go to my grandma's. and then we'll eat over there. But I've got the bacon out, I've got everything ready to go. I just need to wash this pan because last night I did not do dishes before we went to bed because Willie and I wanted to spend time together, if you get what I'm saying. And that's kind of hard to do when you have kids everywhere. So you gotta kind of do things when you have the opportunity. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wash this pan real quick. I've got the eggs out, the bacon. What's the matter? Are you thirsty? You want something to drink? Alright, let mommy get you something to drink, baby. Hold on. And then I'm gonna grab her something to drink and then start getting ready for the day after I do all that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. That way I can go ahead and start editing it. And I'm going to start up another one in the morning. I'm hoping that sometime this week we're going to go to Zambezi Bay and I'm going to take my camera and bring you guys along with us. So that should be really fun and I'm super excited for that. And honestly, I can't wait. So you guys will be coming with us to my FibroScan appointment. And we might possibly be going shopping in Columbus that day. We don't know for sure yet. Yeah, we might. So I will see you guys in my next one, and we love you. It's really hot, and I just came inside, and I had Mackie outside walking out in the yard with me, and he got a little hot, so I had to bring him in because it's so hot out there. Yeah. Alright, love you guys. Bye.